Welcome to this video on the DNA commercial blender. Today we will do two recipes. We will do a smoothie with some hard ingredients like dates, ice, goji berries, banana, some spinach leaves and berries. Second recipe is our nut butter. We'll do macadamia and almond nut butter with raw macadamias and slightly roasted almonds. So let's get started. Let's open the sound enclosure. In go all the ingredients. Peel that banana. Spinach leaves for chlorophyll and berries. And let's not forget our almond milk. So we're going to try and do a serving for two. Should be about fine. Close the lid. On goes the blender. And close the sound enclosure. And let's do 45 seconds of blending. Seconds at our speed of 8. So nice with the commercial blender, you can set time and speed, as well as we have 4 programming functions. There we go, 45 seconds should be enough. Open the sound enclosure, nice and liquidy. Let's see what the result is. Nice and smooth, no big pieces, ice is fully blended, as well as the goji berries and the hard ingredients. There we go, that's our smoothie for 2 people. Next, our nut butter. So in go the macadamias, in go the almonds. Very tough ingredients, so add some almonds. Not every blender can withstand such tough ingredients, so let's have a look at the DNA commercial blender. We're going to be using the tamper for this one. And we will do 1.5 minutes of blending. Here we go, at full speed. So let's just drop in the tamper. Here we go. nice and smooth, your own homemade nut butter. Let's get it into the jar. No flavorants, no sugar, none of the bad stuff. It's only the strongest of blenders that can blend nuts into butter. Have a look at this. So, let's fill up the jar. Beautiful. Here we go. So there we go. Our smoothies made for two. Our nut butter in a reliable and super powerful DNA commercial blender. Lastly, let's take a sip. All that goodness in a glass and a little bit of a taste of our homemade nut butter. Still a little bit warm. Beautiful, delicious. Thank you for watching. Until next time, DNA, a younger you. Bye bye.